Free yourself from the feeling of living in constant struggle. This energy, not only painful and causing us confusion, is part of our self-knowledge and personal development. It gives us a chance to expand our consciousness when we recognize and change this mental pattern. Remember, in the description of this video and the first comment, you can find the link taking you to the dates of the next workshops and courses. We're going to separate all the fighting energy that's in you, the one that's yours, the one that's not yours, the one that comes from the past, the one that comes from the present, the one that stems from your conscious, non-conscious, and subconscious mind, the one that's in your body, in your mind, and in your spirit, the one that comes from religious, ancestral, cultural influences from education and family. We eliminate the weaknesses of each of them and reduce the combination to zero less infinity 100% of the time, or finite time. We're going to eliminate the magnification, distortion, and exaggeration from your mind that activates and detonates this fighting energy within you. We'll remove all the conflict energy that isn't yours and that doesn't come from you, but which you've made yours when you show concern for others. We'll eliminate the powerlessness, exhaustion, and frustration that make you feel like you're in a constant struggle to get through the day. We're going to separate the energy of your expectations from your reality. We'll eliminate that disconnection and imbalance at zero minus infinity for 100% of finite time. We're going to eliminate self-demand as well as demands from others. We'll eliminate the feeling of failure and constant inability at zero minus infinity for 100% of finite time. We'll eliminate feelings of exhaustion, despair, and sadness present in your quantum particles, atoms, molecules, and cells, those coming from yourself, your ancestors, your family, and your collective. Strong to make you aware of your strengths and weaknesses, your fears and hopes, your dreams and your disappointments. Strong to see this fighting energy as a reflection of your inner reality. Strong to discover all those limiting beliefs about life that make you feel in a constant battle. Strong to be present, aware, and attentive when you're feeling like you're in a difficult time. Strong to question yourself, strong to eliminate resistance and rejection to what you do, which makes you feel in a constant battle. Strong to take responsibility and awareness to manage your emotions throughout the day. Strong to realize how it is your interpretation that impregnates you with struggle in your life. Strong to transform your life into a freer place. Strong to transform this energy of struggle into an opportunity for growth and the possibility of transforming your reality. Strong, you'll replace the debilitating stories you tell yourself with empowering ones that allow you to take on your day with increased power. We eradicated all resistance to feeling peace. We eradicated the subconscious conditioning thinking that struggle gives you worthiness, that struggle makes you a person pleasing to religion, that struggle enhances you. We're going to separate stress, social pressures, work obligations, economic difficulties, conflicting relationships that make you see life as a constant battlefield, or you have to fight to survive. We're going to eliminate physical, mental, and emotional wear and tear with all its cumulative effect. We eradicate the subconscious resistance that stops you from seeing the good things in life. Strong enough to manage your challenges with emotional intelligence. Strong enough to view difficulties as challenges, strong enough to make you stronger and more conscious with each challenge overcome. We are going to eliminate habits that trigger and detonate this fighting energy in you. We erase the debilitating energy that comes from watching news broadcasts that connect you to disharmony. We eliminate the debilitating energy that comes from sensationalism and negativity from the media and some of the people around you. We erase the subconscious programming the system does to make you believe that you have multiple enemies you must fight, such as the weather, the government, or circumstances that make you feel like a soldier in countless battles. We eliminate the disempowering energy from all your self-disparaging and negative dialogues and monologues. We remove negative energy from attitudes of resistance, rejection, displeasure, discontent, frustration, anger, rudeness, and haste that energetically drain you. We remove energy from all struggles you face today against addictions, food, laziness, poverty, violence, and disease. We transform all that struggle into power, responsibility, and self-knowledge. We're going to eliminate all words that evoke struggle throughout your day, even avoiding saying fight, struggle, die, and anything triggering confrontation or dispute. We remove the fighting spirit from this life and others, yours and not yours. We eliminate the belief that you have to win over life, that life is your opponent, that everyone wants to harm or beat or make you lose. We eliminate the cumulative effect of this fighting energy projected into your interpersonal relationships. We've eliminated the feeling that everything represents an enemy against which you must fight. We remove the idea that this causes you to act commandingly, dominantly, or controllingly to defeat your assumed opponents. We are going to eliminate the perception that you saw your parents' lives fall into this sequence. We remove everything that this energy comes from ancestral levels. We are going to eliminate the unconscious reactions of fighting against circumstances, ideas, obstacles, and other people. Be strong to be attentive, present, and conscious of your attitudes and your relationships. We are going to remove the mind's distortion that perceives anyone who differs from you as an enemy. We remove the mind's resistance to understanding, accepting, and harmonizing with what is different. We eliminate dissatisfactions, heartaches, and frustrations that cause you suffering. We remove memories of other lives that you also experienced with struggle. Be strong to expand your consciousness and vision towards larger and more transcendent panoramas where differences do not cause disharmony. We are eliminating the influence of the culture of struggle, exclusion, and competition that disqualifies what is different. We are eliminating the subconscious programming that at all times, everywhere, and with all people, makes you create battlegrounds. We are eliminating qualifiers, labels, and classifications that you are a warrior or a soldier that unconsciously drive you to attack before you are attacked, that unconsciously drive you to feel that you are a hero facing 1,000 battles, and for this reason, without you realizing it, you are casting away your harmony, your peace, and your tranquility. Enough is enough to let go of, erase, release, set free, forgive, protect, and forget all this combative energy that is in you, in quantum particles, atoms, molecules, and cells. We also remove it from your physical spaces and enhance the internal, external dynamics, limits, and boundaries of all shapes and forms. And here we are employing 100% of the time with infinite potential, 100% of the time with infinite time. We erase all weaknesses to zero minus infinity. 100% of the time with finite time. Reset, recalibrate, reprogram, readjust, and rejuvenate your body, mind, and spirit. How do you feel? Different or the same?